let's talk about women who look like they have it all together but still feel stuck. Because success without alignment is a full on trap. I've styled celebrities, actresses, athletes, and brands, and they may look like they have it all together, but deep down, some of them are in a full on cycle until they actually just pause and get in true alignment with themselves. Do they no longer feel misaligned, exhausted, or just overwhelmed? The story is the same in so many people. Even working individually, one on one with clients, I've noticed in myself that there were moments where I just felt so exhausted, but on the outside, everything looked amazing. Everything looked fantastic. Everything looked like the lights, the glimmer, and the glam. But a lot of times I felt misaligned, and I didn't realize that until later in life. I also feel like because of that, a lot of times my confidence slowly got chipped away. And it wasn't until I just got recentered and fully aligned with myself and also found systems and structures that I could use that really helped me to rebuild my confidence, because I was able to stay on top of things rather than feeling, like they were getting left to the side or maybe not executed in the way that they needed to. And it allowed me to also show up much better in my relationships, whether that be personal relationships or even business relationships. With that confidence, I mean, it helps you to just fully show up as your true authentic self. Your style is different. The way you speak is different. The eye contact that you have with people is different, and you just show up as a totally different version of yourself, but it's really the version of yourself that was always there. You just didn't know how to tap into it. And that is something so powerful in itself. So here are 3 reasons why high achievers just feel so stuck. The first one is the identity gap, which simply means you've outgrown who you used to be and have not fully stepped into who you're becoming. And to just think about that, there's so many times where you feel like you're ready to transition into that next chapter of your life. You feel it, you know it, but you're just not sure how to fully tap in so that you can do it, or putting the right systems in place so that you can do it, so that you can live a life that is just effortless and you don't feel like you're overwhelmed with things. And one of the biggest ways to do that is by using AI. Now, there's so many different changes and updates and things that are happening with AI, and I feel like it is now more than ever that we should stay on top of the knowledge and resource and knowing how to use these different AI platforms for our benefit, not just in business, but in our overall life. And I've found a way to systematically use that in my life, and it has literally transformed everything. I'm able to get so many things done, from just planning out my week to scheduling my business or using it as a consultant or just strategizing simple ways to make my business flow so that my life feels free and effortless. All right, I can literally just keep going on and on about AI and all the ways that, or really just not all the ways, the strategic ways to use it. But I just want to stay on top of these 3 before I get excited and keep going on and on and on into it. I'll probably do a video just on that. Okay, the next one is presence matching. A lot of times our style, our energy, our brand does not align with who we are. A lot of times we're looking at what everybody else is doing, and that really hurts you because it's not allowing you to fully show up as yourself within your energy, within the things that you're posting, with your tone, with who your audience may even be. A lot of times when we're mismatched or we're not fully aware that we're doing that, because it's just so easy. I mean, social media is all in our face, so you have to know how to use, even social media for your benefit. And you want to make sure that your presence and your style and your messaging and your tone fully reflects you, fully represent who you are in your true power. You have to make sure that your presence matches, and that is a big thing. It's a big gap where people just really don't realize that they're not showing up fully because they're mismatched in these areas. Okay, the next one is daily misalignment, and that simply has to do with doing busy work that has absolutely nothing to do with you progressing in any way. You're just doing a lot of hustling instead of really being centered on what needs to be done or what areas you need to put focus on at what time. Okay, so what is the solution to all of these things? The solution, you don't need to reinvent. You just need to use the right systems and integrate them into your daily life. And I promise you, you will feel so much freedom. You will feel so much more confident, and you will be able to show up fully as your true authentic self. Imagine closing deals. Imagine getting booked for that role. Imagine speaking in front of an audience. Imagine showing up fully present in your business and in your life and in your relationships. Imagine simply walking into any room, and fully owning your presence, and everyone in there notices. That is the true power of alignment. Now, I put together this free AI planner. It's an AI alignment planner that will help you fully align your day, your life, your structure, get clear on all of these things so that you can fully show up. And in just 30 days, I promise you will see and feel a significant difference. So go ahead, head over to my Instagram account and DM me the word align, and I will send you over that free AI alignment planner. You will literally be able to shift your entire day and your entire flow in 10 minutes. I look forward to hearing from you, and let's talk soon.